Hey guys, Trevor here, and in this video I'm going to walk you through what to do if you can't reset your AirPods. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. Now, if you want to reset your AirPods so they can reconnect to various devices, say you're selling your AirPods or you just got new AirPods, or there's just a bug and you want to be able to reset it, but it's not working to reset. There are a few different things that we can do to get that reset. So if I open up my AirPods, you can see that they'll show up on my iPhone here. They should pop up. They're usually faster than that. There we go. So they'll pop up and show the battery life. Now, if you're finding a trouble to reset this, there are two things that you can do. One is I recommend opening this and checking the connection at the very bottom. So the bottom of your AirPods, there's a little bit of metal, and that metal needs to be clean. And in the AirPod case itself, you can see at the bottom, there are two kind of brass conductor strips. So what you want to do is get a little Q-tip and make sure you clean that area so that that area is nice and clean. There's no obstruction or dirt or anything, and clean the base of your AirPods. So that's the first step, is go through both AirPods and clean the base of the stem of them, but also the case, the bottom of the case there. The next thing that we'll want to do is to plug in your AirPods because they need enough charge to be able to reset them. So if they're fully dead and they're not connecting to anything, potentially you need a little bit more battery life to be able to reset them fully. So plug them in for say 15, 20 minutes, something like that, and they should have enough battery at that point. After you get to that point, you can open them up and we will tap and hold that button on the very back there. And once we tap and hold it, you'll see a white light start blinking in the very front of those AirPods. And you wait until that white light fully turns orange. So there we go, it just turned orange. So I'm gonna let go. I'm gonna close up this case again. And when I open it back up in a few seconds, it should give me the option to reconnect to it. So I think I didn't hold it quite long enough while it was orange, but you hold that button for about 15, 20 seconds until it blinks yellow and then is orange for a while. And that fully resets your AirPods. And then you can reconnect to your iPhone or an iPad or a Mac or whatever you want. Hope this helps. Let us know if you have any questions in the comments below, and make sure to subscribe. Thanks.